Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up cyber insurance quotes with Cowbell, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start setting up your cyber insurance quotes with Cowbell, visit their website. Once on the home page, look for the Get a Quote button. Click on this button to begin the process. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't have one. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. After entering your details, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your account. Log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, navigate to the Cyber Insurance section. Here, you will find an option to request a quote. Click on Request a Quote to proceed. You will now see a form requiring essential details about your business. Fill in your company name, industry, and revenue details. Be prepared to provide information on your current cybersecurity measures. This may include details about firewalls, employee training, and data protection policies. After completing the form, review all the information for accuracy. Once verified, submit the quote request. You should receive a confirmation that your request is being processed. In a short period, you will be contacted by a Cowbell representative. They will discuss your specific needs and provide tailored quotes. Take the time to go over the options provided. Ask any questions you may have to ensure you understand the coverage. Once you've selected a quote, follow the provided instructions to finalize your policy. Congratulations, you are now on your way to securing cyber insurance with Cowbell. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.